Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present to you a classic, Cruisin. The song is Living for the Weekend, the artist is the OJs, and the choreography is HALE. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. And as a friendly reminder, if you're interested in learning the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll pin it at the end of this video. Last but not least, please join me and Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing at the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience. July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. It'll be here before you know it. You can book your room right now, and registration opens this year, June 1st, 2023. Please visit our website at www.lmiunola.com. And here we go, Cruisin.
Let me just sit down and relax a minute. Let me tell you about it. It's Friday. Thank God it's Friday. And I just got paid. Going across town. Gonna pick up my lady. Have a little bit of fun. Just ain't no telling where I might end up. You might see me on the east side, the west side. I'm even going across the bridge, y'all, cause I really get down over there. To myself, doing harder.
the music to Living for the Weekend by the OJs. And as you can see, you can get a great workout. So I'll post the instructional at the end. Please go over to our website and check out our event. If you've never been to an event, please check out the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Registration opens June 1st this year, and you can book your room now. Please visit our website at www.lmiunola.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching. Woo! And I'll see you next time.